Prison Service spends between 700 million shillings to 1 billion shillings worth of firewood in the 129 institutions across the country. The Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government says it will revert by adopting decentralized treatment plants. Willie Dennis Njiru reports from Naivasha.
As a matter of innovative rationale to address yesterday's challenges with today's solutions, the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of the National Government will spend more than 500 million shillings on 5 correctional facilities in Nakuru County as a pilot project.
We have seen how to treat it in the decentralized plants, and we have seen that that waste can be used further to be able to get briquettes or logs so that we are able to replace the use of firewood for cooking using the briquettes.
The ministry was benchmarking from water companies that are already making business from CY Naivasha in order to duplicate the innovations in the correctional facilities. The correctional centers stand high stake in sufficient supply of the raw materials needed for the production of the briquettes.
And it takes a very, very limited amount of space, and the water that you get from there can actually be used for irrigation. And then you harvest the solid dry waste to be able to make the logs and the briquettes.
This will help in eliminating the use of buckets as a source of toilet use to a convectional system that will further call for modification of the prison structures to accommodate the system, thus conserving the environment.
We are here to see how can we replace these buckets with waterless toilets so that we remove the element of smell. We make sure that hygiene is better.
Every time we use firewood, we have some environmental impact. So in addition to the value, the revenue value of savings, we will have quantifiable and significant environmental positive impact with this development.
Pneumonia and diarrhea in prisons is rife. The government, however, hopes that this move will help reduce the cases, with a pledge from the government officials that all women prisons will be bed equipped by end this year. Statistics reveal that 260 children aged between 0 and 4 years are spread across the Kenyan prisons.
By the end of this year, we'll be able to make sure that all women prisons, all the women prisoners are sleeping on beds with proper mattress and a blanket. So this is an effort that we are doing jointly with development partners and well-wishers, even volunteers.
On coronavirus, more than 8,000 prison officers have had the COVID-19 vaccines within the prison service.
At the moment, we are beginning with our staff, but we will proceed to the inmates after we cover our staff and their families.
As much as they are in a congregate setting, they too have had a very critical role. They have contributed a very critical role in ensuring that COVID-19 infiltration in our penal institutions are contained.
Reporting for TV 47 from Naivasha in Nakuru County, I'm Willie Dennis Njiru.